flow rate and see how long it takes before we run out of chemicals. We're using I'm not sure, I think it's a 3-gallon bucket. And we've tested some of the other rigs here. This one we bought at a farm and country store for spraying crops. It has a pretty good opening on it, and it depleted that bucket in about 4 minutes and 45 seconds. This one is more of a typical sprayer, and it depleted itself in 7 minutes and 30 seconds. So we'll see how this one does. And we've been using this quite a bit, as well as this one here. But sometimes it's difficult to fit everything in my truck, so I'm going for a little different way to handle this. We'll see where we're at now. Well, we're well over half done now with that bucket. Let's see what the timer says. We're at